what the hell, man? Oh, is that a Tesla? Yo, yo, it's a Tesla. Yo. OMG, bro, let's just sit here.
Tesla been.
Yo, what the hell, man? It's a Tesla, just crashed into. Yo. Shit. OMG, bro. What the hell?
That's mad.
Yo. Where do you think the driver is? Huh? Well, he's probably getting taken CPR on that over there. So if you just yo ho ho ho. Wait, what?
I enjoy the time while you're behind.
Wait, man, stay here, bro. Yo, that is mad, bro. Yo, that's mad. Hey, Dusty, you. That. Yo.
No, it's probably got that.
More police. Wait, what? Yo, what? It's leaking. Yo, bro, it's leaking. Yo.
It's catch fire, bro.
Is that wait, is that oil?
Yeah.
Yo.
Stand back a little bit so we don't get exploded.
Yo. I cannot even believe it, like. Okay, maybe I was kind of wrong. That I was thinking like it was gonna be some moped getting, but it's a Tesla, bro. It's a Tesla.
In it.
Yo, it's a Tesla. That's a peak thing, innit?
Yeah. Sorry.
No, it's all good. It's all good.
Wait, move on.
Wait, sorry. Wait, like put it on. Wait, you're gonna put it on your story?
No.
Oh no. Another Fed coming. Come on. Ah, I didn't even know that.
I'm sorry, but I just can't get on that angle.
I don't know. Wait. Did he just like slide over or something like that?
Nah, because it's skid marks.
There'll be marks.
Yeah,
I think he's just done it on purpose.
Oh, yeah. Or maybe he was trying to get entrance on that Tesla.
Oh, you rich cunt.
Innit, bro? Like, you're like, shoo.
Oh, you rich bastard. That's
Innit, bro? Innit? What the hell, man?
So that's what's happening, innit?
Wait, what? Was it?
That's what's happening because he's
Innit?
like,
Yeah.
as that one guy's going up here,
Yeah.
he's turned, it's hit the Tesla and the fucking
Yeah,
Tesla.
like, what? It doesn't even make sense. Like, how could it even be?
What, that's doing on my story, man.
Innit?
Fuck it. Shut up.
Innit, bro? Innit? Well, it's kind of like some sort of entertainment thing, isn't it? Like, alright, sorry guys, I didn't actually mean that. No, it's gonna go on spotted, isn't it? Spotted.
And you can see our lovely faces.
Hey, so that my G, he's my G. What are you telling me? Hey, bye guys. Hey, bye, innit? Bye.
You'll be needed when it catches fire.
Oh. OMG, bro. Like, this is like, what sort of car crash is this? Like, you probably skidded over on purpose. OMG, bro. Wait, I gotta get a close shot of this, bro. Yo, hell no, bro. Yo, wait, alright. Wait.
Not Sienna.
Wait, who? Wait, what? Wait, what is it?
Sienna.
Who? Yeah, but the oil though, that's what it's leaking.
Oh,
Fuck,
More drama.
Bro, innit? Bro. OMG. Yo.
so you can see the abandoned motors.
Wait, where is that? Wait, it's on Church Street.
Yeah.
Nah. If it's abandoned, fuck, hell no, I ain't going.
No, it's sick.
It's well cool. Trevor, you can get that right to the top.
Alright, but I can't stay there for too long, and then I've got to head back.
Get your last few minutes.
Yeah, let's go. I want to make this video long for some reason. I don't actually want it that long, but you know what I mean. No, wait, I can't. Wait, should we just like, wait, if we're going Church Street, how about we just go that way so I can get some more shots and then we'll go in.
No, because it's up there.
We know, but we can just go for that alleyway, just there, we'll go there. Yeah.
called trumpet.
Wait, what?
He said like
What,
watching
you're-
the fence with him.
Oh crap.
Watching the fence with him all the time.
Oh. Well, are you breaking into schools now, are you?
No.
Oh.
Like when we're in school.
Oh. Oh.
I'm not going in.
Yo, wait, where are you going?
No.
Wait, does that even work? Does that even work? Nah, that don't work. That don't even work. No, that don't even work.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Yo, wait, hold on. Wait, they're still going to be here anyway.
Yeah,
For
they'll be here for like a few good hours.
For a few hours, yeah. Oh, well, I'll come back later, innit?
Yeah,
Like,
fine.
I'll go, hold on, let me get, I got 2, well, I get it 2 minutes in it, so. Yo. Yo, that is smashed up for real. Oh, OMG, hell no. Yo, that's peaking it. This is the Tesla that got crashed. Oh my god. OMG. It's finally cleared up. Yo, I've never seen something like this in my life. This should be good to go. Alright guys, that is the end, and I'm going to tell you the story, so if you want to stick to the end, I'd appreciate it. And I wanted to tell you the story now rather than at the beginning, because I wanted all of you guys to just see the video and yeah, enjoy it. But now I'm going to tell you the story. So what happened is my dad gives me a ring, and he tells me there's a car accident on the like main road from where I live, which is 5 minutes away. And so I've quickly run off with my phone and my camera and stuff, and I start videoing, and when I looked at it, I was just like, oh my gosh, that was tragic. And I didn't see anybody inside because I think they might have been taken inside the ambulance. But in all cases, if they have died, they have died, and if not, they're not. I don't know. But what it is that I didn't have many ideas to record, and this kind of gave me an idea to record, because I kind of ran out of ideas. But if you did like the video, guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, share to everyone that you know, and you know the drill. And please just show the support, because it will make me make more videos. I can make more videos if you show the support to me. Thank you guys so much. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.